Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arief Iskandar and I'm from 1AM4. Today I will present to you guys about aircraft part, component and tool. I will present to you guys about the landing gear. The landing gear is a main part of an aircraft that support it during takeoff, landing and taxiing. It helps absorb impact and keep the aircraft stable. The main components include wheels, short stud, axle, brakes and torque. Bearings are used in wheel hubs, torque links and pivot point to reduce friction, carry loads and allow smooth movement of part. For maintenance, the master bearing service kit is used to remove, install and press bearings safely without damaging them. The kit has puller, driver and adapter, making the work faster, easier and more precious. Think of the landing gear as the leg of the aircraft. Its main job to support the aircraft weight on the ground. During taxiing, takeoff and landing, it must absorb the shock of landing, keep the aircraft stable and allow smooth movement on the runway and taxiway. Landing gear is made up of several key components. Wheel allow the aircraft to roll on the ground. Short stud absorb impact force to protect the structure. Axle support the wheel and allow rotation. Brake slow down or stop the aircraft safely. Torque links or drag stud maintain proper alignment and prevent twisting or bending during landing and braking. Together, despite ensure the aircraft can land safely, taxi efficiently and take off smoothly. Next, we have the aircraft landing gear bearing. Landing gear bearing are small but essential compartments that allow the wheel and pivot point of the landing gear to move smoothly and reliably. They are found in the wheel hubs, the link and pivot joint. The main function of landing gear bearing are to reduce friction so the wheel and joint rotate freely, support heavy load from the aircraft during taxi, takeoff and landing, absorb some of the stress from landing impact, preventing damage to other parts. Ensure smooth, precious movement of the landing gear compartment. Without well-maintained bearing, the landing gear could seize, rotate unevenly, or transfer excessive stress to the aircraft structure, which can compromise safety. Bearings are therefore critical for safe, efficient, and reliable ground operation. So lastly, we have the master bearing service kit. Is a specialized set of tools designed to remove, install and service aircraft bearing with precision. Aircraft bearing must be handled very carefully because even small damage can affect landing gear performance and flight safety. The kit normally include bearing puller, driver, press adapter, alignment guides and support plate. Each tool has its purpose. Puller remove bearing straight out of the housing without bending or scratching the surface. Driver and press adapter help install the new bearing evenly, ensuring the correct fit and depth. Alignment tool make sure the bearing sit perfectly center, preventing premature wear. So the conclusion is the landing gear is essential for supporting the aircraft during takeoff, landing and ground movement. Its bearing play an important role in allowing smooth rotation and absorbing loads. To maintain this bearing properly, technicians use the master bearing service kit, which help remove the installed bearing safely and accurately. Understanding all three ensure reliable landing gear performance and safer aircraft operation. That's all for me.